For the best price, click the link in the description. You're looking for a reliable security safe to protect your valuable items, but you've landed on the Amazon Basics Security Safe 1.2 QFT. But here's what surprised me: this affordable option has some impressive features that set it apart from other safes on the market. One of the standout benefits of the Amazon Basics Security Safe is its compact size, perfect for small spaces or offices. However, I'm not just going to praise it without pointing out a crucial aspect you need to know about. Therefore, let's dive into the details and explore what makes this safe tick. The Amazon Basics Security Safe has a sturdy construction with a 1.2 QFT capacity, allowing you to store valuable items such as jewelry, cash, or important documents. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. It boasts a robust lock mechanism that ensures your belongings are secure from unauthorized access. However, I've discovered some concerning issues regarding the safe's locking system and overall build quality. Therefore, it's essential to weigh these factors against the benefits of owning this affordable security solution. Reconsidering my initial enthusiasm, I must address these red flags before making a final verdict on this product. Let's begin with the concerns surrounding the safe's lock mechanism. Some reviewers have reported issues with jammed locks and difficulties in opening the safe when using the combination dial. These problems could be due to the manufacturing process or potential design flaws that might affect performance over time. But what's surprising is that Amazon seems to be addressing these concerns through software updates and customer support. Moving on to the build quality, some customers have expressed disappointment with the flimsy feel of the safe's metal exterior. However, I've found evidence suggesting that this may not be a universal issue. In fact, several reviewers praise the safe's durability, citing it as more robust than expected for its price point. Therefore, it seems there might be inconsistencies in manufacturing quality, which could significantly impact your decision to purchase. Now, let's talk about the positives. The Amazon Basics Security Safe offers an impressive array of features at an unbeatable price. With a fire-resistant rating of 1 hour at 1550 degrees F, you can rest assured that your valuables will be protected in case of an emergency. Moreover, the safe is equipped with a programmable electronic lock and a mechanical dial combination lock for added security. But there's another aspect to consider: customer support. Amazon has implemented a comprehensive warranty program covering parts and labor for up to 2 years. Additionally, they offer dedicated customer service through phone, email, or online chat to address any concerns you may have with the product. So, what do we really know about the Amazon Basics Security Safe? It's clear that it offers an affordable solution for securing your valuables, but potential issues with the lock mechanism and build quality require careful consideration. Therefore, if you're still interested in this product, I recommend exploring the warranty program and customer support options before making a final decision. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics Security Safe is a viable option for those seeking an affordable security solution. However, it's crucial to be aware of potential issues with its locking system and build quality. For the best price, click the link in the description to explore this product further and make an informed purchase.